Thanks for checking out my YouTube channel today. I have a car camera that I had purchased to put in my Jeep because I've been seeing a lot of crazy drivers lately, and it'd be kind of fun to record that and share some of these things that I've been seeing. The company I bought this from is called Black My Car. It's a company located out of Canada. They're online, of course, and they seem to have reasonable prices, and they shipped it pretty quickly. I think I got this within a couple of days. The device that I bought is made by a company called BlackVue. This is the 4K ultra high definition dash cam. It has the forward facing camera as well as the rear facing camera. You can buy quite a different varieties of this camera. You can get some that upload through a cell phone card that you can put into them. You can upload the video through the internet through a wireless hotspot, things like that. This one that I bought uploads only to the wireless hotspot to the cloud. I haven't been able to confirm yet whether the cloud is pay service or not, but it does come with an SD card. You can put up to, I think, 128 SD card in this. Actually, it's 256 is an option, I believe. I purchased this one with a 32 gig card because I can buy a 256 for cheaper than what they were selling it for. So we'll do a little unboxing video here. I've already cut the little tape that holds that closed. Box that it comes in is pretty nice. Everything's very well packaged, and the lenses are covered up very well. This one here is the front camera. And I do like its size. I think it'll be easy to kind of hide or conceal it a little bit. And then that slides off there, and that's the camera there. On the side here, you've got a slot for the SD card. You have a slot for uploads, I'm assuming. This is for the rear camera to plug into, and it comes with the cord that goes all the way to the back of the car. And then this is going to be the power supply here. This is the rear camera. It's also very small, which is pretty nice, pretty handy. It's not going to interfere with your view towards the back of the car at all. Instructions pamphlet there. The one I ordered also comes with the install kit. The install kit just comes with hard wires that you can plug into or connect to a power supply in the vehicle. In addition, all kits, it looks like, come with the temporary wiring option, so this just plugs into your cigarette lighter or power port inside your car. So I'll install it using this first just to get everything set the way I like it, and then I'll hardwire it in later. This is the cable that goes to the back of the car. I don't know how many feet it is in length, but it appears to be plenty long to get to the back of my Jeep, so that'll be fine. I'll end up probably stuffing some of the wires up in the headliner, and that should be fine. This is the hardwire kit that it comes with. I'm not sure if these are fusible or if these are fuses in here or not. I suspect that they are. I'd have to do some research on that. It looks like the ground is the only one that has a spot to put a screw through. The rest are designed to be either soldered on or plugged into a fuse tap or something like that. So. And then it comes with a bunch of little hardware for mounting. This is the tool for stuffing the wires underneath the headliner if you don't want to take all your plastics out of the car, which is reasonable. It's kind of a pain to do, so this should be pretty easy to do there. Some little stick-on things to tidy up the wires against the glass, I suspect, which is nice. It's a lot of places I don't think would offer that many mounting points for wires, so that's pretty cool. Also comes with an extra double-sided sticky tape for the small camera and an extra one for the big camera. So that's pretty nice. And then the card that it came with is a BlackVue labeled SD card. As I said, I bought the 32 gig SD card for that. And then it also comes with a USB card for that SD card, so that's kind of a nice little touch also. So again, this is the BlackVue Cloud camera system. So far I like it. It looks to be decent quality and well packaged, and the details I think are there. So we'll get this installed here in a little bit, so look for that video for the install. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channel.